welcome back to my channel. And for my new subscribers, welcome and thank you guys for subscribing. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Today I'll be reviewing a BYEBYEKNOTS wig from Unice Hair Company. Y'all, this wig is a game changer, all right? So let's go ahead and get into what's inside the box. I love how they put this quote inside of the box. Very cute. Now let's get into the goodies, y'all. They gave me a bag of press-ons, a band, and some wig caps. And then they also put in the box a silk wig bag. You will also see the wig in the box, and there's more goodies behind the wig, y'all. Can you believe it? I'm loving the goodies right now, okay? They gave me more wig caps, and they also gave me a little card. And also, y'all, this big box of lashes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, let's get into this wig, okay? Look at this color. Y'all, I cannot wait to pop this wig on. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just braid my hair down. I started out with freshly washed, blow-dried hair. So I'm going to go ahead and braid it down so we can put on our glueless wig. Now that my hair is braided down and complete, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this glueless wig. This is the BYEBYEKNOTS wig from Unice Hair Company. The wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the lace comes cut already. Y'all, it will save you so much time. You literally could just take this out of the box and slap it right on your head. The hair is so soft. This texture is body wave, and it is 24 inches long. And check out this lace, guys. It's a 7x5 lace closure wig. Look at that. Beautiful. The lace literally seeps into my skin. Look at those knots. They're already bleached. The lace is already plucked. Let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna put my HD wig cap on that I got from Unice. I like this wig cap. These are the wig caps that I usually use. Now that the wig cap is on, let's go ahead and install our BYEBYEKNOTS wig. Now, I like how the wig came with this band. The band is adjustable, so you can make it as big or as small as you want. Now that I have adjusted the wig to my liking, I'm going to throw it on. And y'all, look at this wig. Literally, look at the lace on this wig, y'all. The wig also has HD lace on it. I love how it fits very snug on my head. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. It's very secure, and I'm just adjusting it to my liking, making sure my part is in the middle. And as y'all can see, I keep running my hands through it because it is so soft. Yeah, let me just give y'all a close-up real quick, okay? So y'all can see how this lace is melted. There are no knots in sight. Can you see the knots? No, you can't. So let's go ahead and style this wig. I'm just using my wax stick to smooth the hair out with my hot comb and to also lay those flyaways down. And I'm just going to layer the hair and put some beautiful body curls in it. So stay tuned. Before I style the wig, let me just pull it up, y'all. Look at this. Look how seamless it is. Like, you can't even tell that it's a wig on my head. Oh, and this color, baby, yes, it's definitely giving baddie, all right? So let's go ahead and add some layers to this wig, y'all. And let's start curling, okay? Now, by running my hands through this wig, I definitely can tell that this hair is quality, okay? I know I keep saying okay, but y'all, I just cannot believe that this wig is just wigging like this. So let's start the styling process. So I'm just going to part out the hair on the wig and curl it with my T3 curling iron. Now, after I complete one side, I'm going to go ahead and curl the next side. And y'all, watch this transformation. Now, if you ladies would like a more detailed curling tutorial, just let me know below in the comments. And yes, I started feeling myself because, yeah, what wig, baby? What wig? Look at this beautiful hair. Like, I literally just popped this wig on and curled it and added some layers. Now, if you haven't already purchased your BYEBYEKNOTS wig from Unice, what are you doing? Go ahead and go to their website and purchase this wig. It will save you so much time. But hold on, and you know I had to give y'all a close-up. Shout out to Unice for sending me this wig. I love it. If you like this tutorial, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.